I just harvested these plants around my street. From left to right, you have oxalis, young leaves and flowers, followed by laukahi, then ivy gourd shoots, peppergrass, and purslane. When harvesting, it's really important to remember that you only take what you need. Never take more than a third because you want to leave some for others, other beings, human and otherwise. And you also want to leave enough for the plants so that it can regrow. And there you are. Salad ready to go. Of course, you can top off with store-bought stuff or other garden produce like tomatoes, mint, etc. Add feta cheese and your favorite dressing.